Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily change the LED light preset in your HyperX Pulsefire Fuse wireless mouse. So here, as you can see, we are now in the HyperX NGenuity application, and here we do have our mouse. To change the LED light preset, we have to navigate here to the effects, over here, and as you can see, click add effect. Here we have solid, cycle or breathing. Now we have to click add when selected the preset, and here we have, as you can see, cycle and the breathing. And here, as you can see, we have target, all lights or selection, opacity, color and speed, etc. To save the settings, we have to click save to mouse. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.